First one here, Ryan. Go put your knapsack away. Look for your picture.
You see it? I see it.
Give me a kiss.
Yeah, Claire. Come on, Claire. How are you? Come here, Claire. Stuff. Here, Ryan's putting his bed away. You go put your bed away.
Here. How do you like it?
Can you go get your bed and put it away? Let's go get it. Find your picture. Yes, get your bed and put it away. Okay, put it away.
Ryan, go play, Ryan.
Put your bed away. Good morning.
Ryan, go show Mommy a picture of you. Right there. Right here, Ryan.
Snow White there. Yes, you were.
All your people in your
Yeah,
class.
put your lunch away, Claire.
Claire, get over here.
Hi, Lorenzo. Come put your bed away.
Hold this thing up here.
Thank you.
All right, give me a kiss. Kisses. I'll get your picture later. With Miss Michelle.
Here's your smock, Claire.
Can you give me a kiss goodbye?
Claire, listen.
Okay, let's go wash hands and you can get